Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing the ADCB TouchPoints Titanium and Gold credit card, which offers exclusive rewards, lifestyle benefits, and travel perks. So if you are considering applying, make sure to check out the link in the description for the latest details and offers. So the ADCB TouchPoints Titanium and Gold credit cards are designed for the frequent shoppers and travelers, allowing you to actually earn touch points on every transaction, which can be then redeemed for shopping, travel, and bill payments. So both the cards come with travel benefits, lifestyle perks, and discounts on dining and entertainment. Here, if I talk about the pros of this particular card, so you will get the generous reward system. You will be able to earn the touch points on every purchase, making it great for frequent spender. If we talk about the travel and lifestyle perks, so you are going to get those here as well. So it includes the airport lounge access, travel insurance, and dining discounts. You will get the flexible redemption options as well, so you will be able to redeem your points on flights, hotels, cashbacks, and utility bills. Now here, if I talk about the cons, so you will have to pay annual fee depending on eligibility. There are some applicants that may be required to pay an annual fee, but you can check out the link in the description for potential fee waivers or discounts. The second thing is the foreign transaction fees. So this card, on this card, charges may apply for international purchases, which may be a drawback for frequent travelers. So if you want a credit card that actually rewards you for daily spending while offering travel and lifestyle benefits, the ADCB TouchPoints Titanium and Gold credit cards are strong contenders. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.